How to enable image generation in the Character AI app. If you are wondering on how to enable the photo generation or image generation on the Character AI app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app. Now tap on to the Create option right here. Tap on it. Then tap on to Character right here. Now create a character just like this. And tap on to next, and you can simply do it later, you can do it right now. Now tap on to next, then tap on to next again. First you need to generate a greeting. Now generate it, and after tapping on to next, simply tap on to public right here, then tap on to next. Then from here, the more options right here, you can simply enable the image generation on it. But right now here we can see there is no any feature available. So it means the image generation feature is not available right now on this Character AI app. And if it is available on yours, you can simply enable it. And that's it. This is how you can enable the image generation on the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.